Hello everyone, my name is Gail Corbeil and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of a trade I did on the GBP CAD. I took out 3 long positions on October 21st and since then I have closed 2 of those positions, the first one at 95 pips, the second one at 111 pips, and just go to the daily chart and I'll show you my entry. So this is October 21st here, so I took the entry around here and price went up and filled my 2 positions. Then as you can see, price retraced and gave us a second entry. So those of you who missed this one would have gotten an entry here. On the way back down here, I hedged the position and I closed it off and at 140 pips profit. And if you recall, on this move up here, I had closed my first 2 positions and my last lot was running. So once I closed this hedge, which was a short, the last lot was still running for my 3 long positions. As you can see, the price is sitting at a very nice position right now. It's down at 618 pips. It keeps fluctuating. And if I take you to the monthly chart, you will be able to see what my target is. My target is up here, and that's approximately another 1,000 pips away. I have moved my stop loss to lock in some of my profits. Let me go back to the daily chart and show you. I've moved it up here, which coincides with the 36 CMAs, under 36 CMAs, so it's still a bit safe. I am expecting price to retrace a bit before it moves up, because price will retrace. We just have to make sure that we know when and get a good idea of where it will retrace to. So what I plan to do when it starts to retrace is I'm going to do a hedge just like here, and so I can pick back up some pips on the way back down. And for those of you who have watched cartoons in the past, my favorite, Bugs Bunny, there's one scene I recall where Elmer Fudd was in his garden picking up carrots, and he was filling up his baskets with those carrots, but right behind him was Bugs Bunny plucking those carrots out of Elmer's basket and putting it into his. Well, that's pretty much what we're doing with a hedge. When you hedge like this, you have that last lot running, you're seeing profits accumulating, and you worry that the market's going to take it all back. Monitor the trade. Look for an opportunity for an entry when it starts to move down. Just go to the lower time frames, and so you might see something like this. So it'll go down a bit, probably like this, then move back up a little, and this is your 2 to 3 line. When this breaks, you anticipate that it's probably going to fall, all the way down to the 36. You may penetrate it a little bit and either, bounce here and move down or move back up. But there's no need for you to just sit and watch profits evaporate. You can go in on a hedge, and you see like this simple one here on the forward chart could give you another 149 pips. So there's ways to get your money back and give yourself the confidence and I guess calmness that you need to be able to let your last lot run. I'm aiming for the 200 EMA on the monthly chart, and each candle here takes a month to form, so you can certainly appreciate that I have to have the patience of Job waiting for this to move up here, and as it moves up, it's going to have a lot of movements up and down on the lower time frame because price doesn't move in a straight line. So again, you can just relax, do nothing, and just wait patiently until your targets get hit, monitoring the lower time frames to ensure, excuse me, sorry for that, I think it wants to get me to buy something. Anyway, yes, so you can just relax, monitor the lower time frame, and ensure that the trade is moving in the right direction. Your stop loss is in the right place, so you don't end up losing everything that you've earned. Or like I said, you can hedge, and just like Bugs Bunny, you can take back some of what the market is taking away from you. I will continue to track this trade. It's up to 645 pips now, so that puts me close to 1,000 pips that have milked out of the GBP CAD so far. And as this trade progresses, I'll continue to do videos so you can follow along. And if I certainly see the opportunity for a hedge, I will make a video of that and I'll share that with you again. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned, more to come.